Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
U MLA ka Kongres na umroy uba George Bileng do hakas mi thot ding ula pentip hayang dor bar thawan balawat la ladep ban mang lagu pralak tengka na kabenta ban Maramot ya ka Surok na Bhoirymbong sya Kyrdem ka Surok kadang sni Kumjuh kabla bu jing ikinong let nang wan habaya shimenta ha ka jing tai halor ka jing bombiang ka sensyar ka khadar hajalla uba George ulong wat hadin baladep ban mang lagu pralak tengka ban Maramot ya ka te ka Surok kam shimladan ka jing kala imat kaladan ka jing penen kam bakla ya kan ka pisah bat hadu menta ka Surok kadang sni ubat kipat ba kimat jing ula talain ru ya karu kontre kam ka sarkar da ka ba ula kedau ba ki Surok ha ki jakasor wala ki sni melumala ka jing Maramot ka kloi bha kat baya ki Surok ha ki nong ka sarkar ka shui de kisnam nolor kata ulaong ba kabakum kani kaju kajing rekam kalong na kabanta ki transformer kibela du ha kaba ha kinong kendong kasimpor da ki benai ban bujili haba kren halor kajing bom yok kam yok jam hanong kendong uba George ulaong bana ka jubab jung menteri rang ba kapau ba kajing tray MGRNEGA lani ka skim belashis pasni kala ki uda arhosan persen kani ka pen I ba kajing bom yok kam yok jam kala jur bha.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir. I would like to also participate in this short duration discussion to draw the attention of the government on various issues that reflect the governance, its policies and the direction in which the state is moving, sir. Sir, the repair of roads has been an issue raised by many members in this August House. The road that I would like to draw the attention of the government is the Bhoirymbong Kyrdem road, where the road is very dilapidated. An amount of 38 lakhs was also sanctioned for the repair of the road, sir. But then if you see the condition of the road and the amount that has been sanctioned, sir, the amount seems to have been swindled off. Nothing has been done and people are inconvenienced. Sir, the repair of transformers, the delay has affected not only the businesses, but it has affected the students. It has affected the families. Sir, this disparity of rural and urban, whether it's road, whether it's transformers, when it is road, they repair a road that is still in good condition is being repaired again in urban area. But in rural areas, sir, sometimes it takes years. Transformers takes months for rural areas. In urban areas, matter of hours. What is this, sir? What is this? Sir, unemployment issue. Our youths are suffering from unemployment. The unemployment rate has gone up tremendously for both the formal and informal sectors. Yesterday, in his reply, the Honorable CM had stated, when we talked about livelihoods, that the uptake of MGNRGA wages has gone up 25%. That itself, sir, is an indicator that the unemployment has gone up, because MGNRGA is a safety net to address unemployment in rural areas. So the very fact that the uptake of MGNRGA has gone up by 25% is an indicator that unemployment in rural areas has risen. Sir, mobile and internet connectivity has been a concern for every member. Pushing people towards online classes, but then there's no connectivity. Recently, I could see that the government has had some discussions with the mobile internet and the mobile service providers. But sir, these people have taken the public for a ride. We have paid the rental charges, but then where is the service? Where is the service? These people should be booked. They should be penalized, these service providers, because they are swindling the hard-earned money of our people. Mobile charges, the mobile connectivity, they have been paid on monthly charges, fixed charges are there, but then they are not giving us good quality service. There's a disruption in my village in Hynrei, in my village in Bhoirymbong, all other villages in my constituency, they are suffering because of connectivity. We're talking about border areas, sir. I would request, yesterday we had a long discussion on borders. I would request the Honorable CM to kindly look at the mobile connectivity across the border areas. When this is a call of despair, when there's a problem, we learn about it after a day. We learn about it after 2 days. So the border area should be taken care of with proper mobile connectivity. At least that bit we can contribute, sir, for them. At least that bit. So, power bills. So the power bills have been a concern. We have raised it numerous times on the floor of this August House. But then, so the despair is still the same. Bills have, in fact, just shut up. The question that comes is, are now the people paying for the inflated cost of Saubhagya? Are now the people paying for the inflated cost of smart meters, sir? That is the question in the minds of the people. The bills have shot up just tremendously, burdening our households, affected because of life, and there's no livelihood, because of the protocols and the unemployment that I have just mentioned. Now these bills are burdening. The power bills are burdening the people, sir. So the airport has come up quite well with the efforts of the current government and the previous efforts. Sir, we also need to develop the infrastructure in and around the airport area, sir. Yesterday I have talked about the market in Umroi. We have discussed with the department also on the new approach towards the airport, but things have dragged. Things have dragged. The only reply we get is COVID. We ask anything, COVID. So the number of flights have come up, which I feel is an achievement for the state, for the government. But then we also have to ensure a facelift. We have to ensure all those things that have. I'm just coming, sir, to the conclusion. Sir, the stone crushing units in Ribhoi have been closed down because of some orders, I don't know from where. But then there are numerous orders coming from Forest Department, NGT, DC, and all these stone crushing units have closed down. This is burdening the households, the PMAY beneficiaries, the MG and RGA works. They have to come up to Maukhanu. And considering the toll gates, sir, that have just been mentioned by the Honourable Member from Nong Thamai, the toll gates that along the Shillong bypass, they have burdened these vehicles that are carrying the stone chips all the way from Maukhanu towards Ribhoi, sir. So you can imagine the burden. We used to get at 1,500 per truck, per vehicle. Now it's 2,500. So one of the greatest statesmen of all times has defined democracy. Abraham Lincoln has defined democracy as a government of the people, by the people and for the people. So if you see all the comments that are coming in social media and other platforms, people are saying that the government is staying off the people, staying far from the people, sir. The cries of the women and children in Ilaka Sutra, what does it mean? People there are terming this government as a government of the coke plants, by the coke plants, for the coke plants, sir. So we need to address this. We cannot allow governance to be hijacked like this, sir. And I would urge the government to kindly address the issues so that we can strengthen the confidence of our people on democracy and their faith on this August House, sir. Thank you, sir.